Hello everybody, it's Adam here with Factbook Center Garden Route, and this is Flywheel. Dual Mass Flywheel, more specifically. He says hi. So what is a dual mass flywheel? Well, a dual mass flywheel, as it states in the name, is a normal flywheel but with a primary and secondary flywheel instead of the conventional counterpart being a single mass flywheel. So why? Well, this flywheel was developed to negate the torsional vibrations that you encounter when your car idles or when you're at low RPM. Think of your combustion as sort of pulses. Every time combustion takes place in your engine, it's a pulse that gets sent through your drivetrain. This negates those vibrations because those vibrations can cause excess wear and sometimes premature failure of your transmission or other drivetrain components. This is the reason why A, it's a lot heavier, and B, more expensive, is because you have, as I stated earlier, two different masses that can spin independently of one another by the use of what they call arc springs. This is so that even though it's got a small amount of play, it still turns as a unit when your engine is transmitting power to the gearbox. So then what happens and why do these sometimes fail? Well, one of the number one reasons why dual mass flywheels fail in the first place is because of heat. You can see this specific flywheel is actually has a blue tinge to it. This is because that what most likely happened was, as the clutch as well wore over time, it started slipping, which caused the entire flywheel to heat up, which weakened this arc springs on the inside, which caused too much play on the flywheel itself. Over time, this can actually worsen those vibrations I was talking about earlier, which completely defeats the purpose of a dual mass flywheel. Another reason why this fails is simply due to wear and tear. Over time, as I stated earlier, the arc springs weaken, and then again, too much play will cause those vibrations to worsen. At this point, you need to replace your dual mass flywheel as well as your clutch, because as I stated earlier, a worn clutch can also cause too much friction and create too much heat and damage your flywheel.